Or anything now?
No.
This is how news travels. The moment they know something is going to happen, they will shut it. And this is why noise monitoring systems are very important, as told by the Supreme Court, because we will know at what time what sound was being played.
So, as noise person,
Nothing. We have not seen any JSPCB person. We have not seen any PI. Today nobody stopped us.
Even this late night parties, they are resulting into drug consumption because of this noise and this kind of behavior. It results into drug rackets over there. So Goa is turning into a drug den now, and we have to take care of our our culture or our children's.
Yes. Okay. Let's start walking. Yeah. Let's start walking towards the police station. In two lines. Or we just stop the traffic for a while. Please just stop. Okay. We're going to catch it, no? Yeah. This way.
Very well yesterday.
We don't want that. That's a big peaceful. Anyone who has this like this can just we have to call him here. The PI, see, I think so. There is some this that states that the PI has to always be there in the police station, or who is the acting PI? The commissioner. Yeah. We don't care. This is not a problem, and we want a resolution today. Just because this one thing I want to ask is, when Asagaon, there was one resident who had a problem. The chief minister came, but how many of us are gathered here? The CM is not, he doesn't want to come support us. Please, Chief Minister, please come support us. We are not against anything, we just want the sound to go down. We just want help.
No, just we can call here.
Yes, we will call here.
We can call here with the speaker.
Yeah. We have already placed calls to 112 regarding Hilltop at 6 o'clock. What time? Yeah, 6. No action is taken. Yes, we can call now also, but it's useless.
It's ringing, huh? PI phone केला. PI ना आपल्या स्टेशनाचे. त्याच्यावर स्पीकर
Who is the acting? कौन authority कौन? PSI कौन authority?
PSI कोण? PI ना जर ते वाटलं, हाँ? सगळे बाहेर चालले आहेत. फोन करपा गेला की करपा गेला. करपा पाहिजे.
तुमका आहे ना आवाज?
Without any hate?
Yeah, they don't want to take responsibility.
और PI फोन उठली ना तो रिंग करता.
Yeah, that call tinga
From 7 o'clock. Every day.
So we will stand here only. Let it be live. Okay. Let it be known that in Goa, if so many people have a problem, they
The
come.
PI is absconding.
The PI doesn't want to attend to us.
The PSI is not there.
And please understand that this is what happens every night, even without the media, even without the press. There is no one to, there is, even the courts assume that the police will do something.
हॅलो PI. राजन घाटे हांगा आमी सगळे जमलेले आहा कॅन्डलाक आमी जमले तुमकां मेळपाक तुमी सांगलेले 7 सुमार डेली आसतले म्हणून.
सर परत यो.
Sir, please come.
सर
There
परत
are
या.
a lot of
वी वॉन्ट
people
यू.
here.
वी वॉन्ट यू
बाबा सगळे जाण म्हणटा तू येवंक जाय हांगा व्हडली म्युझिक वाजता हांगा
Yeah.
आनी तुज्या पुलिसांक आयकूंक येना.
आम्ही हांगा 200 लोक उबे आसा तू येजो हांगा.
हॅलो कितें म्हणटा DYSP सांगता पण आतां कोण तुमी येना तर बरं आमी हांगाच बसता म्हणून सांगता आमी हांगाच बसता हांगा ओके DYSP सांगता तेजो आनी DYSP येता म्हणटा.
We had told them without installing the monitor.
Yes, don't.
Not to start the music.
Come.
You can sit.
Yeah. That's it. Wait here only. What else? If this is what is going to happen, and we are very grateful to everyone who has decided to join us here today, because we don't want this to happen every single day. We cannot get up at night. Today, many of us have slept, I think so, at 7 o'clock in the morning. We knew that after this media was there here, after they make their statements, they will go absconding. And our respected MLA came in the morning, but when the issue is happening, she is not here. No one is there to support us when the actual problem is going on. And I don't know, what are we supposed to do? Whom do we ask? Even the courts, we understand that they will give out their judgment. We are hoping that the courts will give out a judgment on the contempt petition to see why the police is not taking action, or why responsible authorities like JSPCB is not taking action, and who does the responsibility lie with. But till that time, what do we do?
Till that time, I think we have to suffer.
Yeah, we have to suffer. I mean,
Really, no lives being ushered and no area gone. Yes, really, how many people are going to go? So, when
PI कॉल केल्लो PI म्हणटा आपूण मातसो कामान बिजी आसा DYSP सांगता म्हणटा आपल्याक येवपाक मातसो लेट जातलो. आमी ताका विचारलें की तूं 7 सुमार हांगा आसतलो म्हणून सांगलेलें काल सांगलेलें आमकां ओके पण तो आयज ना.
काल त्याने एश्युरन्स दिलेले आपण 7 o'clock हिंगा आसतलो आपण तो एश्युरन्सचा सगळें म्युझिक आपण कंट्रोल करतलो पूण आयज ना कितें तो
तेच सांगलें तुमकां न्ही खावपाचे दात वेगळे आनी दाखोवपाचे दात वेगळे या PIचे.
हेजे व्हडले अख्ख्या शिवोलीन वाघातर वज्रांची लायन आसा पळय ती सगळी म्युझिक आनी हॉटेलांची आनी लाखांनी उलाढाल जाता हांगा लाखांनी उलाढाल जाता तेचे 2 किलोमिटराचेर पुलीस स्टेशन आसा आनी पुलीस स्टेशन कोणूच ना जी फकाणाची गोष्ट न्हू म्हणजे तुमी हांगा पळय जे वाजोवपाक दिता तेची जबाबदारी कोणाक सांडून वयता आनी आमी कोणाच्या विश्वासाचेर हांगा न्हिदपाची आयचे राती काडपाचे जे आमी कोणाच्या विश्वासाचेर फाल्यां जर थंय कितें जालें म्युझीक चलता थंय आमी कंप्लेन करपाक हांगा कोणा कडेन येतली आनी कोण आमकां पळयतलो. म्हाका सांगा जेन्ना हेड ना जाल्यार तेच्या सगळं हँडल करणारो दुसरो कोण तरी आसपाचो काय ना तोय ना जे येदे व्हडलें पुलीस स्टेशन हें हांगा आसा आतां जर आमी कंप्लेन घेवन येयली हॉटेलाची नाल्यार कित्याची जाल्यार तें हांगा कोणूच ना अशें जावंक शकता.
खरं म्हटल्यार होम डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा तो चलोवपाची क्षमता CM प्रमोद सावंता कडेन ना. हांव सांगता डिमांड करता की प्रमोद सावंतान म्हणटा ते रिजायनान घरा वचपाचो कारण होम डिपार्टमेंट ताका कळना काय कितें फाल्यां खंयच्या आमच्या बायलेचेर रेप जालो खंयच्या रेपाक कोण हाका जबाबदार आसतलो. आतां पळय कोणूच ना तो आमकां DYSP सांगता DYSP येतलो हांगा DYSP ड्युटी दिल्या दी ताका ऑर्डर करून बसया कॉन्स्टेबल करून DYSP फकाणा करता की आमची मंजूर करायची.
It is very clear that the police also is involved in such.
तुम्ही सगळे हप्ते
It is very clear that there is some kind of thing which is happening. And this kind of music and this kind of night events have been supported by them. By 10 o'clock they should close. They should close all, follow the law as per the Pollution Act. But that has not been done.
सर आता जसं तुम्ही म्हटलं पळय तोच शब्द वापरता आफ्टर 10 o'clock बंद करून जाय म्हटलं म्युझिक पण युअर डिमांड इज नाव आता 9:30 झाले आताच बंद करून जाय म्युझिक
की तुमचे पोट कसे चलतले तुमका टुरिझम नाका बाबा लिमिट हा त्या म्युझिकाचे ते म्युझिक 2 किलोमीटरचेर आयको येता जाल्यार त्या घरांची कितें परिस्थिती आसले हे दाखयता हांव तुमकां
पोल्युशनाचे हे आसा
हेच्या पयलीं पार्ट्या चला नासले तर हेच्या पयलीं ही नासली हॉटेलां असली लिमिट क्रॉस जाता बाबा लिमिट क्रॉस जाता माझी जनता दुखावता रडटा आणि ते दाखोवपाचें काम करता हे लोक
आणि 10 o'clock पर्यंत सुद्धा एक लिमिट असतो अप टू 10 o'clock सुद्धा लिमिट असतो जाय
सांग आसा बरो आसा लोक या मरे हांगा लोक तळमळटात आतां ते सावंड वास येदो व्हडलो सावंड येता तर मातसो पुलीस स्टेशन कोणाकूच आवाजूच येना खंय आहा तुजें हें खंय मॉनिटर खंय आहा तुजो मॉनिटर ना काल तुमी एश्युअर केलें कितें मॉनिटर लावले किंवा आमी बंद करपाचें म्हणून कारण आमच्या प्रेसिडेंट आमच्या काँग्रेसचो प्रेसिडेंट आनी विरियाटन सांगला तुमकां जो पर्यंत तें स्टेशन जायना तो पर्यंत बंद करा म्हणून क्लब सगळे ना राजकारण करना हांव लोक आसा हांगा हांव तशें राजकारण करता रे लोकांची न्हू हालत ही सगळी
ना काल सांगला मरे काल सांगला मरे पियानी
हांव राजकारण करता हांवें काय राजकारण करूना हो प्रश्न जो आसा हो पोल्युशनाचो सावंड पोल्युशनाचो प्रश्न जावन आसा आणि काल विरियाटो बाप आणि आमचो अमित पाटकर हांच्यांनी सांगलें की तुमी जो पर्यंत ते मॉनिटर स्टेशन करिना तो पर्यंत खरें म्हटल्यार सगळे क्लब बंद करपाचे पण आता जवळपास येता 1 ते 1.5 किलोमिटराचेर म्युझिक येता आवाज येता व्हडले येता की सगळ्या पुलिसांक येता हे पुलीस म्हणटात ते डम न्ही हेंकां आयकूंक येनाशें ना आयकूंक येता तरी सुद्दां हे डम जाल्ले आसा आनी हे सांगता की आमी राजकारण करपाक येवंक ना अजिबात हांगा आमी राजकारण करतले जाल्यार आमकां आसा कारण राजकारण केलें तें भिलेल्या लोकन कारण व्यक्तीने वचून त्या सीएमाच्या दारात बसपाची गरज जावन आसा ती गेली डेव्हलपमेंटा करपाक काम करपा खातीर खंय खातीर आतां कित्याक हे लोकांक हे करता वोट मारपाक हे लोक जाय वोट मारपाक लोक जाय हांगा ते फक्त आपापलो हप्तो सोडपाक आनी काय हे A to Z हेंचो हप्तो आसा हांव इतलेंच तुमकां सांगता हे हप्ते बंद करात ड्रग्स वाले सगळे आख्या पिडीक कामार करून उडयतले कोण जबाबदार हेका आयज कोण ना हेका आयज हेका ह्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वालीच ना
अप टू 10 o'clock आता कितलो जाला टायम 9 जाला एक्चुअली कशें आसा 10 o'clock नंतर लिमिट 10 o'clock पयलीं लोकांक हॉटेल जे आसा पळय तांकां हें आसता बट 10 o'clock पर्यंत सुद्दां एक डेसिबल गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल एक्टा प्रमाणे तांकां एक सर्टन लिमीट आसता ताज्या भायर तांकां वचपाक मेळना कित्याक आमच्या हांगा शिवोलेन खुबशे अंजुना वागोतर जाणटे लोक आसा भुरगे आसा काल तिणें सांगिल्लें आपलो चलो आसा ताका ऑटिझमचो ऑटिझम आसा ताका भुरग्याक त्या भुरग्याक कितें जातलें हे परिस्थिती तेंच्यांनी पुलिसांनी आनी गव्हर्मेंटान अंडरस्टँड करपाक जाय आतां आमी काल गेले तेन्ना म्हाका सुद्दां थंय सारकें कलकलून जावपाक लागलें अशी थंय परिस्थिती आसा थंय गेल्यार हांगा सुद्दां आयकूंक येता आमी हांगा सगळे लोक जमला ताकाच लागून कितें तरी करपाक जाय 2 दीस 3 दीस जाणटे लोक हांगा कशे
Yes, sir. Now there's a timing for everything. No? Music right at 12 o'clock start झाला. It started at 12 o'clock. There must be a time limit. ना सगळ्यांना टाइम लिमिट असता. हे किती झाला? Blasting music घालता तो 12 मध्ये लूप करता. Something has to be some time limit should be. That is at 4 o'clock we started. Okay.
Already गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचे नोटिफिकेशन हा की within 100 meters जे रेडियस आहा should be silent zone. स्कूल आसा सेम 100 meters पुलीस स्टेशन आहा. फाटी ऑलमोस्ट लायक टू लास्ट सिजन जेन्ना हांव येयलोलो तुका सांग हिंगा विंडोज वायब्रेट जाताली जी हिट ऑफ म्युजीक आयकूंक येताली विंडोज वायब्रेट जाताली पुलीस स्टेशनाची बट पुलीस स्टेशनान म्हणटा ती आमकां आयकूंक येना तुमी जाय तें करा म्हणटा हांव आनी एकटो मनीस येतलो कंप्लेन दिवपाक आनी दुसरी जाग्यार म्युजीक जाताली बट हे सिट्युएशन जालां आमच्या अंजुनान.
We have a student over here. Let her tell you her experiences. This is something our entire, all the adults, all the ones making policies and rules should know, that how students at the grassroots levels, how are they being affected? Is the education being affected?
Okay.
So
She's in the 12th standard and she's in the final year BA.
Let her start. I just can't concentrate till the loud music. Even when I was in the 10th standard, it was the music used to start at 11 o'clock. It used to continue till I don't know when. Even I used to sleep at I think so at 2 o'clock. Even till 2 o'clock music was to be playing. Like so loud music. I couldn't concentrate. And the music starts sometimes at 12 o'clock during the day. It's just so disturbing. I can't sleep. Early in the morning I have to wake up to school. I can't concentrate because I haven't got proper sleep. So how can I do my best in my education? This is impacting my future. What about us? We students have to suffer because of this music. This isn't giving us anything. This is not going to help us. I know it gives people livelihood, but at what cost? At the cost of our lives, at the cost of our future? What's the point of all this?
Okay.
Very good.
So, as a student, what do you want to see for the Goa government of CM?
They should reduce the noises. They should keep a control. They should keep a time limit. This is not accepted. You all can play music, but it should be a limit, right? Everything has a limit. Everything has a boundary. Enjoy, but have a control over it. Start the music at a time when no one will be affected. What is 12 o'clock during the day? Who parties at that time? What's the point of partying from day till night? What's the point of raving all day? The whole year you're like just raving. What's the point? This is doing nothing. It's just damaging your own lifestyle. Your own life is getting damaged. And it's not only impacting them, it's impacting us. We are suffering on the long run. We are not going to suffer.
एक टाइम सरकार म्हणटा न्हू की शिक्षण इम्पॉर्टंट एड्युकेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द स्टुडंट्स एंड ऑल सो
He says that we should follow. No, he's the education minister. He's the chief minister. What's the use of him being the education minister, chief minister?
Correct.
Now when he follows.
Very good.
What's your name? What's your name?
Okay. So just to add up to this these are questions. These are valid questions that our MLA is supposed to ask. Okay, our representatives are supposed to ask, but our MLA is, when she comes here, the assurances she gives us is put the headphones and I will go to court with y'all, but we don't want someone, if it's a very simple thing, if someone is not ready to come with us to the police station, do you all think she's going to come with us to the court? No. I don't see anyone taking such a long step and they can't take such a small step. So come, please support us. We are inviting you here now also. We are live. Please come. Please help us, or please, if you can do something about the noise, because I can still hear the music. It is still going on. There are still cars going in and out. So yeah, that's all.
I'm actually D'Souza. So I'm Wच्या भरपूर कंपनी केली हेजे सो आनी तेंचे आमकां हेल्पलायन नंबर 112 हेच्या पयलीं आमी भरपूर फोन मारले आमकां नो एक्शन नथींग म्हाका दिसता सगळें सेटींग केल्लें आसा आनी आमी स्टिलार नको हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदतां तुका आमच्या देवाक खाल्लय तुवें देवीक खाल्लय सगळ्यांक खाल्लय पूण आमकां तुजेर विस्वास ना काल तूं येयलें तुजें पोंय भाजून गेल्ले पूण आमच्या लोकांच्या बाराबर खडूच दिश्टी पडना खंयचो MLA दिश्टी पडोंक ना कित्याक आमी तुका निवडून हाडला तुजी वर्सां भरपाक ना आमच्या बरोबर रावपाक थँक्यू
व्हेरी गुड
हांव जुलियन फर्नांडीस हांवें एक वागातर सिटीजन वेलफेअर कमिटी म्हणून केल्या जून ती आमच्या वागातरा पासून हांव वावरूंक हें करा आनी फाटीं एक मिटींग जाल्ली जेन्ना जुलायला लोबो येयले आनी आमचो वॉर्ड मेंबर दिनेश पाटील आसलेलो तेन्ना म्युजिकीक लागून आमी जी मिटींग केली आनी ताका सांगलें आमचो प्रॉब्लम जे भाशेन आमकां खूब त्रास जाता ते बंद करपाक तूं कितें तरी उपाय कर मग तेणें दिलायले लोकांक सांगलें कितें हेडफोन यूज करूंक जाय नाजाल्यार ते इंडोर म्युजीक जशें टिटो रेस्टॉरंट कालापूर आहा पळय तिजो तशें करता ते हांगासरूय खंय सिस्टम करप नाजाल्यार तेंचे लायसन्स ते कॅन्सल करून उडय म्हणून तेंचे रेस्टॉरंट म्युजीक वाजयता ते बंद कर म्हणून लायसन्स दिना काय म्हणून तांकां सो हांवें तें एप्लिकेशन पंचायतीन बरोवन दिलेलें 11 तारखेर आनी आतां परतून हांवें बरयलां तें हांव तेंकां पंचायतीन दितलो आनी सांगतलो आमी सदमत आहा की आमची पंचायत जी आहा ती आमच्या वाड्या पासून आमच्या लोकांचें बरें करपा खातीर आनी न्हय की वायट करपा खातीर सो हांव आमच्या पंचायतीक सरपंच आनी आमच्या गव्हर्मेंट अशी हांव मागणी करता की आमच्या लोकांचे हे जे दूख त्रास पळय आहा ते सॉल्व करपाक जाता तितले बेगीन उपाय करचो.
Strange that being in the pop station we can hear this music played so loud. That means we are not taking any kind of an action. And where we stay, there is this place called Jimmy's Villa. It's such a nuisance for us. We have time and again come and made complaints here. This is our neighbor Cyrilla. We've so many times being ladies. We have come in the night over here, we have come in the day over here, but there is no action being taken place. And to say Goa has many elderly people all around. In fact, most of the houses have aged people. But still, we've told the cops all these things, but they have not taken any action. It is very, very a sad state of Goa.
जायते फारा पुलीस स्टेशनार आयल्या आनी 14 तारखेरूय आयिल्ली इंडिपेंडन्साच्या पयले आनी PIन म्हाका इन्शुरन्स दिल्ले की म्युजीक आसची ना म्हणून लावडूय आसची ना आनी अंडर डेसिमल्स आसतली पूण आतां आमकां हांगासर रावले म्हणटून कितली म्युजीक आयकूं येता. आमकां ट्युरिजम जाय, आमकां ट्युरिस्ट जाय. आमी म्हणून ट्युरिस्ट नाका पूण आमकां ट्युरिस्ट जाय पूण हॉली ट्युरिस्ट नाका. वी वॉन्ट नायस एंड सस्टेनेबल ट्युरिजम, not like coming and enjoying, making parties, disturbing our children, not allowing them to concentrate on studies. So we want good tourism like how we had before in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, not like this.
It was a peaceful land. And
Yes.
Just to add to what he said, isn't it strange that we keep on talking about traditions and we keep on talking about our Indianness, we keep on talking about our culture, but we allow an occasion like Independence Day to be used to hold parties. So what's happened to all this talk about Sanskriti and all of that? You forget about it immediately as soon as your pockets are lined. Things have changed a lot in Goa since the years passed. I remember that all of us used to live by the season. There used to be a rainy season and everybody used to get time to rest and recuperate. But now we have tourism the year round and we have parties the year round. At least in the past, when they had an occasional party, we knew that the next day we would have peace. But this is not the situation now. Every day we can be assured that there is going to be no peace. So, I mean, exactly what the lady was saying, what sort of tourism are we promoting? Don't we? All of us, many of us have grown up in a village which was quiet and sacred. We had a lot of peacefulness. We also celebrated and we also had music. You know that the Goan spirit is not against music. We are, as a culture, the Goans are one of the most musical people in our country, culturally. But if all of us are protesting at this time against music, then it is against a particular type of music and the decibel levels that it is being played at, which is a big disturbance to us and our health. Thank you.
यो मरे तू खंय वयता यो राव 2 मिनटां.
आज हांव हांकां सपोर्ट करपा लायक जे हांगा तर ही लावड म्युजीक आहा पळय चड हें जालें की कारण की आयज तुमी पळयता जी लावड म्युजीक आहा पळय वयता आसतना ते ड्रिंक कंज्यूम करता वाटेक एक्सिडंट जाता इतलेच केसी जाले ह्यो. हांव म्हणटा की हे लावड म्युजीक खंय तरी कमी जावंक जाय कित्याक लोकांक रातचे न्हीद पडोंक जाय आनी लोक कामांकसून भायर सरता पळय तेन्ना तांकां खंय तरी येवन घरा कडेन न्हिदतकूच तांकां सुशेग मेळोंक जाय. हांगासर तो सुशेग मेळना. मागता हे कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट हेंच्यांनी कितें तरी एक्शन घेवंक जाय.
चंदन म्हाका एक सांग, अशा पद्दतीन खंय तरी ट्युरिजमाचो जो खंय तरी हे सायडीन सायडीन येवपाचो कमी जावचो ना अशें तुमकां दिसना?
टुरिजम जे आसा ते हांगासर येवपाचें कमी जाता.
ट्युरिजम आमकां जाय पूण कसो जाय की ही लावड म्युजीक जावं ड्रग्स हो आमकां नाका की आमच्या ल्हान ल्हान भुरगीं आहा तांकां फुडें आमी कितें दितले हो ड्रग्स दितले.
गिरीश बाब हांव एक सांगू तुमकां गिरीश बाब हेल्थ बरें पयलें काय धंदो बरो आमकां धंदो जावो आनी हेल्थूय जाय. आयज ह्या पोल्युशना खातीर आमचे हेल्थ पिड्ड्यार जाता. काल तेंच्यांनी फोटो हाडलेले जे पोल्युशना खातीर मेले सावंड पोल्युशना खातीर हे जेन्ना पळयता जपान आज भायले देश पळयात टुरिझम करता ते टुरिझम आपली संस्कृताय आपले पर्यावरण आपल्या लोकांक सांबाळून टुरिझम करता अशी पॉलिसी कित्याक हाडिना तुम्ही खंयच्या तरी दिल्लीवाल्याक ते बसयतले आयज हे टुरिझम म्हणटा ते दिल्लीवाल्यांचे गोंयकारांचे न्ही हे फक्त पयशे नोटो करपाक आनी नोटो छापून हांकां दिवपाक हेचे हप्ते वयता म्हणूनच खरें म्हटल्यार आयज हो टुरिझम जो आसा ह्या सरकारान विचार करपाक जाय टुरिझम म्हणजे कितें तो आनी टुरिझमाची जर संस्था आसा जाल्यार खरें म्हटल्यार ती म्हाका मॅडमीन म्हटलेलें 70-80-90 जे टुरिझम आहलें ते खरें टुरिझम आहलें हे न्ही टुरिझम ही जी म्युजीक जाय ती बऱ्या लोकांक न्ही हे ड्रग्स कोण घेता न्ही तांकां म्युजीक जाय ही म्युजीक जाय आनी त्या खातीर हे प्रमोट करता हे प्रमोट करच्या पेक्षा सरकारान विचार करून आयज बरो टुरिझम हाडपाची गरज जावन आसा जे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाकूय हे मेळटा नोकरी मेळटल्यो आनी हे जातले हेल्थ सांबाळटले
थँक्यू